Vivantio is a powerful help desk software, but before you buy, there are 12 things you need to know that could make or break your decision. We'll go through everything from its features to its limitations and how it stacks up against competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk. Stick around till the end to see if it's the right choice for you. First, Vivantio offers a wide array of features, but what sets it apart is its robust service management and ITIL-based approach. It's ideal for businesses looking for something that's not just a simple ticketing system, but a full-fledged service management suite. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly, straightforward interface, competitors like Zendesk might be a better fit. Next thing to consider is Vivantio's pricing structure. It's known to be on the pricier side, especially compared to entry-level competitors like Freshdesk. While it offers extensive features, those features come with a cost, which may not be ideal for small businesses or startups with tight budgets. The third thing is customization options. Vivantio stands out in this area, offering deep customization of workflows, dashboards, and reporting. This is a huge plus for businesses with complex support needs. But if you're someone who needs something easy to set up and manage, you might find Vivantio's customization to be overwhelming. The fourth thing is integration capabilities. Vivantio integrates with various third-party applications, but it might not have the out-of-the-box integrations that competitors like Freshservice or Zendesk offer. You might need to rely on third-party middleware to connect it to your existing tools, which could add to the setup time and cost. The fifth thing to know is Vivantio's user interface. While it's functional, it can feel a bit outdated, especially when compared to more modern competitors. If your team values aesthetics and ease of use, Vivantio might require a steeper learning curve. Next up, Vivantio does offer multi-channel support, allowing you to manage emails, chats, and even social media. However, the reporting and analytics on these channels aren't as robust as what you'll find in tools like Zendesk, which provide more detailed insights into performance. The seventh thing is automation. Vivantio allows for automation in ticket management, but it's not as advanced as some of the other options available. If automation is key to your operation, tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk may offer more sophisticated features for automating repetitive tasks. The eighth thing is scalability. Vivantio is built with larger organizations in mind, making it a great option for enterprises with complex workflows. If you're a small to mid-sized business, you may find other tools like Freshdesk more suited to your needs due to their simplicity and lower cost. The ninth thing to know is about customer support. Vivantio offers excellent support with access to 24/7 assistance, but you might find the support options with competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk more accessible and faster, especially if you need to reach out during non-business hours. The 10th thing is mobile access. Vivantio offers mobile apps for on-the-go support, but they're not as feature-rich or intuitive as those from Zendesk or Freshdesk. If mobile accessibility is crucial to your team, you might find other tools offer better solutions. Next, Vivantio's reporting and analytics are solid, but not as advanced as competitors in terms of real-time data and customizable reporting. If data-driven insights are important, platforms like Zendesk and Freshdesk could provide more flexibility. The 12th and final thing to know is Vivantio's community and resources. While it has a solid community, it's not as large or active as those of other competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk. This could make it harder to find answers to questions or solutions to problems quickly. In conclusion, Vivantio is a solid option for businesses looking for a feature-rich, ITIL-based help desk solution. However, if you're looking for something that's more budget-friendly, easier to use, or offers a more intuitive interface, you might want to check out other options. For a better solution, check out our recommended software, which you can try for free.